Our chief agent and others have evidence of goons who came in the tallying floor on the night of Saturday 13th, disguised as agents, but disguised as observers, but working as agents of Azimio, and were carrying with them documents. Among the documents were Form 34As, and other papers, which they would get and were getting from the Azimio chief agent at the corner of the table where the agent was seated. During the process and a tussle that started that night and ensued, among others, a computer disappeared among others. This act we strongly condemn. We also condemn the acts of violence that we showed yesterday, and particularly acts of violence that were meted against the returning officer and the chairman of the IEBC. We are ready and willing to write statements with the DCI, my agents, and for me, the part I saw, and to be part of and oppose any petition to be filed against His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto.
As we were seated there, we observed people who disguised as observers who came in because they had official badges as per requirement. But eventually we realized there is a change of character. Whereas we know the work of observer is to observe, but not to manipulate or even to enter into the details where IBC staff and agents were much involved. But eventually we realized they began to manipulate. I alarmed to Commissioner Mwaure, and eventually nothing was done. I insisted, still nothing was done. On the same course, we realized they were targeting particular computers or laptops in the house, some of which were IEBC materials or agents' materials. I studying on one desk. Actually, I was not verifying together with the team on the desk. Mine was only to see how my agent is carrying on the business because I was overseeing. But eventually, 3 principals of Azimio came on that desk when I was studying. They questioned the computer, which was being held by a man, I don't know the name. And they insisted that that computer should be put off the desk. The young man obeyed.